Hey guys, so today we're starting off with two palettes. So I've already like done this, well, a portion of this eye. So we're gonna be using the Afrique by Juvia's palette, and we are going to be using the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Constellation palette. And we are also going to be using the Makeup Revolution, I don't know what this one is called, the Makeup Revolution Love Conquers All palette. This is a pigment and highlighter palette. We're going to be using all three of these, but we're just using this one later, the Love Conquers All palette. But for right now, we're going to be using the first two that I showed. So for this blue shade right here, we're going to go into the Juvia's Afrique palette and go into this shade Côte d'Ivoire. I don't speak any other language but English, but it's this blue shade right here. And then we are also going to go into this purple shade from the Makeup Revolution palette called Cosmic right here. I'm going to take both of these small blending brushes and fan that blue out and also fan the purple out. Now I'm going to cut my crease with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C1. And I just always put it on the back of my hand. I'm going to take the same brush that I used to cut my crease and just pat out the lines. I'm going to head into the Makeup Revolution Love Conquers All palette and go in with the big shimmer in the heart in the middle. And I'm just going to put that about to the middle of my crease. Now I'm going to jump back into that Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless palette and go in with that same purple shade called Cosmic and put that on the end part. Just to be a little extra, I'm going to do a colorful eyeliner today. So I'm going to take some more of that Makeup Revolution concealer in C1 and draw like a eyeliner outline with it. little bit of my NYX glitter primer and put it on top of where I just cut that eyeliner thing. I'm going in with some blue pigment from Mayo Makeup, and I'm going to use that as my liner. Just to be a little more extra, I'm going to take some more of that NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to place it at the front of our cut crease. Then I'm going to go into, y'all, I love this. For this to be like $2 glitter, it is great. Like, it is so great. This is the Glamour Glitter by Beauty Treats Cosmetics, and it's in the shade, it's just white. I'm just gonna take a little bit on a brush. I use a lip brush for my glitters. Don't know why, it just works better for me. There we go. So that is the completed eye look. I'm going to go off camera real quick and throw my lashes on, and then I'll be right back. I'm going to start by priming my face. I'm going to go in with my Clinique 24-hour Moisture Surge and just moisturize my face. Head on to the girl, that was 4 shots ago. Now you. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. booster drops and put that on. And I'm loving it, yeah. I'm loving it, I'm loving it. If it wasn't there, yeah. I'm going to go in with my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop primer. Okay, so I'm going in with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation in the shade it's always Amber. Amber, okay. I was just making sure. Next, I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Olive. And then on top of that, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. And I'm going to blend that out with a medium sculpting brush from Real Techniques. To take that same Deep Olive concealer and just drag it down my nose. Y'all know the dealio. Drag it down my nose, a little bit on my forehead, and then I need to get some more I just bought this. I'm gonna just start buying like 2 or 3 at a time. This is ridiculous. I literally just bought this and it's already back. But I'm just going to blend all of that out. Period. Snatched. I'm jumping in with my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C18, which I think is the darkest concealer they have, unless they added more. And I'm going to use this to contour. I like to be like, I'm going to take a Wet n Wild contour brush, angle brush, something. I don't know the name for it though. I just know it's from Wet n Wild. And just blend that out. I'm going to set with my Makeup Revolution Banana Light powder. I don't think I don't like about this palette is it gets everywhere. Okay, so next, while I'm waiting on this, while I'm gonna let this powder sit, I'm gonna let my nose powder sit anyway. I ain't gonna let this sit for long because it'll make like a line, and I hate that line. So while I'm letting my nose powder sit for a little minute, I am going to go ahead and contour, like set my contour with the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette. I'm going to go in with this shade Abby. To contour my nose, I'm going to jump into this Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark. I'm going to go back into the same Judy's palette and take these 2 colors for blush. And last but not least, we are going to highlight. Well, that's not really the last 2 because I still put on lipstick and whatnot. But for highlighter, I'm going to go in with my Beauty Treats highlighter. Way to Glow highlighter, and this being the shade 3. I can never remember what shade this stuff is, and I use this all the time. This is almost finished look. We're just gonna take some e.l.f. setting spray that got stuff all over it. And y'all, I'm almost out of this, but I like to use the last strip, so I'm just gonna. That's my last use of that. And so I'm going to hop in with my Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel. And put those babies down. Make sure those hairs ain't going nowhere all day. And next I'm going to do my lips. Now for lips I'm going to go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Praline because I don't have any nude lipstick. I know it's probably bad. I should get some, but for now, we're just gonna do lip gloss. Now, that's nude enough, right? Right. Snatched to God's period. That's all I got to say. Well, anywho, let me take my hair down and then I will be right back. Now, like I said, my hair is not laid down because the minute I'm doing this video, it's coming off my head. So that's why it's not laid down. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. And then make sure you subscribe. That's the first thing you need to do. You don't need to like it first. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you subscribe and you got your post notifications on. Because who want to miss one of my videos? Nobody. At all. But anyway, I hope you guys like this look. And stay tuned for more. I'm going to try to post a video once a week. I made that my New Year's resolution that I was like, girl, you going to post a video once a week, period. Because last year you were slacking. So I can't be slacking this year. But I'm gonna try to post a video at least once a week. You might get 2 videos out of me a week. You never know. Cause look, I'm trying to like build my channel and make my little channel blow up because I already know what's gonna happen. By the end of this year, I'm gonna have 20,000 subscribers because that's on my vision board and that's what I'm gonna make happen. Period. So if y'all friends with me on Facebook or follow me on Instagram and you see me keep posting about trying to get more followers, more subscribers, just subscribe. What is it gonna hurt you? What is it gonna hurt you to press that button? Okay. But for real, yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in my next one.